Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, as you can tell by the title and the smile on my face, the box that we will be opening on today is my favorite. And what is that? It's CURLBOX time, okay? This box is heavy, y'all. I just want you to know that this box is truly heavy. So, here we go. And let's dig in. For those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, let me tell you something. If you wear your hair in a natural state, you need to have this in your life. Now, from time to time, they do offer products that are for either one. I will leave the information down below, plus I will leave you a link, so if you would like to try it out, there will be some specials going on just for you. So when we open up our box, the first thing that we have is this beautiful description card, okay? And it tells us what the theme is for the month, which is better beauty, hair and nails, okay? And look at that gorgeous lady right there, okay? And then when we open it up, it lets us know, it lets us know what products will be featured this month and gives us information on how to use these products and when to use the products, okay? It also has a letter from the editor, okay? Then this month, now see, I don't want to show you this yet because as soon as I show you, you're gonna know what the products are. Okay, I'll just give you a quick look. There you go. And there you go. All right. And then, of course, we have our Hey Girlfriend card, which tells us where to showcase your looks. All right. So now that we've got past all of the quote unquote housekeeping stuff, let's jump into the box. Now, this was sitting on the top. Why? Because it wouldn't fit in the box. So let's just start here. This is the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food, and this is a strengthening curl creator pudding. It says for over processed damaged hair. All right, now the net weight is 11.5 ounces, and it says there are no sulfates, petroleums, mineral oils, silicones, or drying alcohol. Pure honey, coconut oil, shea butter, and banana. Wow, that's interesting. This product has a 12-month shelf life, and it says it provides nourishing moisture, it improves hair strength, and helps protect against breakage, delivers softness and ultimate curl definition, and provides long-lasting hold. All right. Now, CURLBOX does not tell you what the manufacturer's suggested retail prices are for each item, but I will let you know at the end. Now, check this out. Just in case I didn't mention it before, this box is $25 per month and $5 for shipping, okay? But wait till you see how many full-size products, because everything in here is full-size, but I just want you to think about that as we're going along. So this is item number 1. Now we're gonna go ahead into the cards. All right, and it says this month we're featuring not 1 but 2 Cream of Nature collections. The Butter Blend plus Flaxseed and the Pure Honey Hair Food, okay? If you're dying for long-lasting elongation, this collection has everything you need to achieve maximum hang time. Get ready for nourished, hydrated strands for definition, frizz-free, and healthy curls. Complete your style with sinful colors, nail polish. Alrighty then. With hues that look like they're straight out of a salon. All right. Okay, so now you know what's in this box. All right. So you'll have a much easier time getting your curls to stretch if you make sure your hair has both slip and softness while shampooing. Use your Butter Blend Plus Flaxseed Double Duty Detangle and Slip Shampoo. Okay? And that is this product right here. Now, this might be a little difficult this time because of the lights and the fact that the packaging is white. But it says this is a 12 fluid ounce size and it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, I want you to know this smell is so amazing. You can actually smell it right through the closed bottle. Although it's quite a few products in here, you can truly smell this for what it is. All right. It says for curly, coily, shrinkage-prone hair. All right. So this is item number 1 in this particular line, but it's item number 2 in this month's box. Okay. Then it says increase elasticity early on. Pliability will help you style during the latter steps of wash day. You want curls that can easily stretch without damage. You can achieve this by using your Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Detangler and Slip Leave-In. And that is this one right here. It detangles and adds great slip. It helps stretch hair and increases elasticity. It hydrates and adds manageability, softens and adds shine, and it strengthens and helps prevent damage. Okay, and like I said, this one is also a 12-ounce size. I'm telling you, full size packaging. Amazing. Then it tells us use a styler that creates a great curl cast. All right, what is a curl cast? A curl cast is when your curls clump together with a slight stiffness for amazing definition. Once dry, you could easily further stretch with a blow dryer on a medium setting. Just run it along the length of your curls. To achieve your perfect curl cast, try your Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Defining Pudding. Okay? And that is this jar right here. All right, and this one is an 11.5 ounce size with a 12-month shelf life as well. And it says, minimize shrinkage, leaving curls elongated. It also enhances curl definition and increases hair elasticity, delivers soft, stretchable curls with a light hold, and it's non-sticky, non-greasy, and non-crunchy. All the things we just don't like, okay? Ooh, I'm loving it. Definitely loving it, okay? So product number 3 in the line and 4 in the box. Then the next step would be use a touch of moisture while restyling. Okay. Always choose hydration over moisture saturation when wanting to achieve a stretched curl pattern. You want to avoid reversion. Let your butter blend and flaxseed double duty curl definer and booster come to the rescue on day 2. All right. This one is a 12-ounce size with a 12-month shelf life as well. And it says that this refreshes, elongates, and strengthens curls. It says this one refreshes, elongates, and stretches curls, protects curls against shrinkage, leaves curls smooth, frizz-free, and full of life, and it gives a boost of moisture and adds shine, as well as being non-flaky, non-sticky, non-greasy, and guess what? Non-crunchy. Okay, very nice. I'm telling you, they are looking out for us. Okay, and then let's see. After this, we have some bonus products. Now, if you remember the very first product that I read to you, that is a bonus one in this box. And then we have the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food Smoothing and Frizz Control Curl Defining Cream for dry, rough, frizz-prone hair. This one is an 11.5-ounce size. It's pure honey, coconut oil, shea butter, and avocado. This one as well has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and that's this one right here. Not bad. All right, so right there we have 6 full-size products, but there's more. Then, if you remember, I told you that they also have the Sinful Colors nail polish included. Now I have 2, okay? And it says this one is the Sinful Colors Sporty Brights nail polish, and it's super saturated neon shade that has a rubber sneaker like texture. Top them off with the matte intensifying top coat. All right. And this one that we have is Double Time. That's the name of the shade that we have. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, and this is what one coat of this one looks like. How about that? All right, so that is the first one. And the second one is the Sinful Colors Bold Color nail polish. And it's this one right here. And it says a must-have assortment of 40 plus classic and trend-setting hues. Elevate all your unique mani-pedi styles. All right, so let's just check this one out. The shade that I have is Bitten. And this is what a one coat of Bitten looks like. Okay, now, you know what's really good to know? That this one right here, the Sinful Colors Bold Color, this is a matte polish. Look at that. Okay. So, what are your thoughts? Okay. Now, Y'all know why I love me some CURLBOX, okay? Love the fact that there's always full-size products. Look, now they're giving us bonus items. Loving it. Loving it, loving it. They started the year off right last month with 8 products. Okay, they didn't let us down this month. They gave us 8 again. All right, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened our February CURLBOX. And these are the items that were enclosed, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that appeared in the box. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.